lecture for the installation of this smart board. It's an interactive board and it's very useful for Hilal Public School, especially training section of Montessori teachers training. We are giving paramount importance for the same system. It is useful for the CBSE section, and my teachers will get extraordinary knowledge through the installation of this smart board. I am very happy to HK School Solutions. Actually, they have installed the system for Hilal Public School. I am very happy. Once again, I express my gratitude, and I think my teachers will become #1 in this field. Thank you.